Hello everyone. So today we're gonna talk about how can we create a Google Analytics account and how can we implement it with our GTM to start reporting on our shop account. Now, let's start step by step. What I need you to do first, if you have a Google Analytics account, that's great. If you don't, you can just go to Google and you can say create GA4 account, and then you will go with the first one, which is set up analytics for website and or app. And then you go here, you can click on Google Analytics. Of course, because I already have Google Analytics account, I can just simply go here. You know what, I'm gonna click it here. And then we should see Google Analytics. Okay, so what I needed to do, you go here to admin, you click on admin, and then you say, okay, I want to create an account. So in your case, you create an account because this is the first one. In my case, because my email, my website is shop.hishamghanayem.com, of course, I want it to be as a property. So account is the top, you can see it here. So this is account and this is a property. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go here. Sorry, you need to go back to Google Analytics. Okay, I want to make it as a property. Property name will be shop.hishamghanayem.com, and then let's say it's gonna be in UAD, and the time zone will be Switzerland because I'm based in Switzerland. So we go next, and then you can just select like, okay, it's like art and instrument. Not really. Let's say that it's computer and electronics. It's a small company. We don't have any. Okay, so the goal is, what do you want? Is it to generate leads, like you're expecting people to come to your website and then put their information and convert as customers in the future? You want to drive sales, of course, this is what we want. And we want to understand the web traffic. That's what we need. We need to see users engagement and retention. As you remember that our goal is not to get the conversion, our goal is to get the retention. So you keep this one, and then you say, you know what, I'm good. Other business objectives, of course, if you have other business objectives, let's say that you have too many blogs or too many content you want to track as well, you can say that, okay, I want as well to track this one. So when we select these, all the recommendations, as you see, to get recommendations personalized for your business. So they're going to populate some stuff for us based on what we choose here. So we go create, and of course you will see that it will start populating it. Let's go again, create. Oh, internal error, sorry. So it seems that there's something wrong. Okay, so let's do it again. So this is, you can see that, while you're doing it, anything can happen, and let's hope that it's gonna work perfectly well. So gonna be Switzerland, it's gonna be AAD, and we said it's gonna be a small company for electronics. And then we're gonna select, let's change a little bit, let's change these two for now, and let's say create. Okay, that's it. So we got it. We're gonna say, okay, it's a web app. So the web is the following. You can just copy and paste this one, and then you go and paste it. So I don't. Okay, so we paste it here, and here we go. So that's it, what we need to track. So the stream name, let's say that it should be eCommerce. I'll just name it eCommerce Hisham. And then we can see here, okay, these are the things that will be populated: file download, video engagement, form interaction, site search, outbound, etc. So they will track these actions automatically. So now we say, okay, save, and then we can go with create the account. So now you will see that I will have this stream, and they will say like no data received in the past 48 hours, and that's understandable because of course we didn't implement it. Now this is really important. So this is the measurement ID, this is the measurement ID, and this is the stream ID. This is what you care about the most. And now we're gonna go through, I'm gonna go through these in the next lesson, but for now, let's go and just implement this one. How can we implement this? To do that, what you need to do, you need to go back to your Google Tag Manager, and then here you say, okay, I want to, first of all, you can define the triggers, so when that event should populate, and of course we want to track this one on every page view, so you select here and you can say page view, and you can name it here page view, so you have it. So now we have the trigger, and then you're gonna say when or where this will be reported. So you already have a trigger called page view, and you're telling Google Tag Manager, and you tell Google Tag Manager that, hey, I want to track an action every time page view happens. Let's go again. Let's see the trigger. Let's say page view. Let's say GA. Oh, page view like this. Let's see. Okay, so now we got it. Then you have to go to the tags. Once you go to the tags, you can click on new, and then you can say this is GA4. Let's say page view, so you know what is it about, and then we can say, okay, this will be from the templates. Sorry. Okay, so it's going to be Google Analytics. We go here, and then we can say that this is going to be the Google tag. So load the Google tag associated with your Google Analytics stream, or send an event. In our case, let's go with the Google tag, and then you can say your, oh, sorry, no, my bad. So you go back here. We're going to go with an event because the page view is an event by itself. So you go here and you can say Google Analytics, and then you can say here GA4, and the event name page view, or you know what, let's make it like this. So we have a specific naming convention, the camel syntax. So you have the first letter is small letter, and the first letter of each new word will be capital letter. So now we have the measurement ID. So what we need to do, we need to go back to our measurement ID. We copy this one, and then we go here and we say, okay, this is that measurement ID. And then we can go here and we can say the event name is page view. And then we go here and we can say that's going to be for page view all pages. Okay, that's interesting. I think that I need to create the tag first. So this is the tag ID. Let's see the tag ID. Let's see. You know what? That's good. That's good. We don't need anything here. Anything advanced, not for now. So let's say that. Okay, let's save this one. Okay, so I will tell you what happened. Okay, let's go now and save. Okay, so this would happen. First, you have to have a Google tag, and then you should start with the events. And that makes sense, right? So first, you need to populate a Google tag, and then you go ahead with the events. For example, page views, add to cart, etc., etc. Now, how do we double check if we did the right thing? What you need to do, you need to go to preview. We saw yesterday that the Google Tag Manager in our last lesson was populating there. So now we need to check if we have Google Analytics page view. You click on preview. So now we should see, yes. So now we have the event that we need. Of course, we have Google Tag Manager. I'm going to rename this one to GA4 our account. And then we can go here and we can say that, okay, this is the event that's called page view. Now, if I jump to another page, let's say that I want to go to this page and you click on this one, you will see that a new event in the event stream will happen, and that's it. So you see as well. So we have page view. You need to know that every time you click on a new page, you should see page view. So now we go, we say, okay, everything is fine. We can confirm that. After that, what you need to do, and this is really important, you say, okay, I'm fine with these. I will go here to submit, and then you go here, you say GA4 page view. Okay, so this is only the version name. So I implemented the GA4 tag and created a new event called page view. Now, if you have a team of multiple people, some people from marketing, from data analyst, whenever you are documenting everything, every version, that's going to be the best. So everybody knows what's going on. And you click on publish, and that's it. You see that, okay, this is what you have. This is the version 2 is live, and this is what happened. And with that being said, we're going to go more in depth in Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics in the coming lessons, so you know exactly how to implement things and why do you have things in the first place. Thank you so much. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.